the Sidi Crossfire. So today I want to talk about the Sidi Crossfire line of boots and why they've been my primary choice of boot for the past, I don't know, almost since I've been riding. So I started using Sidi boots as a brand when I was in high school riding KLRs and other off-road bikes. And I think my first boot was one of the early adventure boots. They didn't call it the Adventure, they called it the Discovery maybe, I think that was it. And then I actually had a pretty bad accident on the street, low-sided, and my leg got caught under the motorcycle and I snapped my ankle and my leg pretty bad. And after that accident, once I got back on the bike about 6 months later, I decided to invest in a pair, and this is the original pair that I bought back in, this was probably, 2004 or so. So these boots here you're looking at are 15 years old. They've got 15 years of use on them and they're still going strong, and we're going to talk about that. But the reasons that I went to the Crossfire, and this is the original Crossfire 1, not the 2 or the 3 or the 4 or whatever they're on now, was that I tried all the motocross boots at the time and I found most of them to be extremely bulky and big. I'll put up some photos here, and they felt like I was wearing a cast and I couldn't move. But when I put these boots on, you see these boots have this hinge, and that's kind of a, well, you see a lot of boots having it now, especially Sidi, but it allowed you to walk in the boots and not feel too big. And also the profile is fairly narrow and fairly small for a motocross boot, and the protection is incredible in these. I've had a lot of, crashes. I've put these boots, no joke, probably have close to 100,000 miles on them. A lot of that on the street, but also a lot of it off-road on dirt bikes and adventure bikes. And honestly, I see no reason to replace these. I could buy a new pair of Crossfire 3s, but these still work fine. They're a little bit ugly and beat up, but they still work. I mean, they stink a little bit, but that's no big deal. So you can tell by now I'm a huge fan of Sidi boots, and the Crossfire for me is still kind of my go-to choice of boot when I'm riding off-road. Now I'm going to have another review on these boots here, which are the Sidi Adventure Gore-Tex boots, Adventure 2 I think, Gore-Tex. They're kind of the next step down in protection, but they also more comfortable, and they have Gore-Tex. But for off-road riding and dual sport riding, I just cannot recommend these highly enough. The other thing is, I've really had nothing go wrong with these in 100,000 miles. While I see my friends go through pairs and pairs of other brands of boots in the time that I've had these, I've had the same pair. I think I had one of these buckles fall off, and it wasn't even the fault of the boot. It probably just fell off because I didn't tighten the screw, or I didn't adjust it or whatever, and I replaced that for a few bucks. But beyond that, nothing's really gone wrong. I've burned a hole in them here on my 800 GS when I was in Idaho, but beyond that, they've been fine. You can replace the soles, which I've never replaced. You can actually replace these with the screws, and I probably am going to regret not having done that because the screws are pretty beat up at this point. But they have the sole replaceable system, SRS, which you should get if you get a pair of them. So that's my review of the Crossfire. I love these boots. The elephant in the room is the price. These boots cost, I don't know, $500–600 nowadays. I think when I bought these, they were probably $400. But honestly, that's a value for what you're getting. I feel, anyway. My opinion is that it's a value because it's $500 or $600, but if they last you 10 or 15 years, I mean, like I said, these are 15 years old, and I'm still wearing them. How can you go wrong with that? And so I think it makes it a good value. The protection is extremely good. The quality is extremely good. You can replace individual components with screws. And so I love these boots. Stay tuned for my review of the Adventure boots, and we'll talk to you next time.